you are hemorrhaging money every single time you hit generate. And the worst part, most creators have no idea there's a smarter way. Today, that changes. I'm about to show you how to unlock 365 days of unlimited GPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 for a fraction of what everyone else is paying. Let's go. Let me be real with you for a second. GPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 just hit the market, and they are absolutely shattering every benchmark we've ever seen for AI-generated imagery and video. The quality? Unreal. The problem? The token costs are brutal. Creators are burning through hundreds of dollars just to produce a single polished clip. I've seen people in forums talking about spending $50, $70, even $100 just testing these models for one video project. That is unsustainable. That is the kind of cost that kills creative momentum before it even gets started. But here's what nobody is talking about, because most creators haven't found it yet. There is a platform that just quietly launched something that makes all of that pain completely irrelevant. And today, you and I are going to walk through the entire workflow together, step by step, so you can start producing cinematic AI video right now without torching your budget. The platform is called Top View AI. The link is sitting right at the very top line of my description. Not buried, not hidden, right at the top. Click it, sign up, and follow along with me in real time. All right, you're in the dashboard. Good. Now, before we touch anything else, I need to stop you from making the single most expensive mistake beginners make on this platform. Every new user does this. They see the video generator, they get excited, they start throwing prompts at it, and they drain their token balance before they've produced a single usable frame. We are not doing that. Instead, we are running what I call the ultimate cost-saving workflow, and it starts with one tool that most people completely ignore. Go to the Storyboard section, right there in the left panel. This tool is powered directly by GPT Image 2.0, and the reason we start here is simple. Generating a storyboard image first gives you full creative control before you ever commit to a video render. You lock in your composition, your lighting, your character details. You eliminate guesswork, and that means dramatically fewer failed renders and dramatically lower token waste. This is how the pros do it. Now, you are one of them. I'm going to upload a photo of my own face right here as the character reference image. This is what makes the final output feel personal, cinematic, and completely unique. Your actual face rendered inside an AI-generated world. And here is the prompt we are using. I've spent serious time engineering this, and I'll paste the full thing in the description for you. Just look at that. Honestly, take a moment, because this is extraordinary. GPT Image 2.0 has reconstructed my facial features with a level of fidelity that used to require a professional VFX pipeline. The rain atmosphere, the neon reflections on the wet surface, the volumetric depth, every single element is exactly where it needs to be. But a still image is just the beginning. We are bringing this entire scene to life. Click on Agent V2 in the left panel. This is where Seedance 2.0 takes over, and this model has an absolutely insane reputation for motion consistency. No warping, no melting faces, no AI artifacts. Just smooth, intentional cinematic movement that holds up at full resolution. We are pulling our storyboard directly into the video generator as the base frame. This is the key step that ties everything together, because when Seedance 2.0 has a high-quality reference image locked in, the output quality goes through the roof. We are generating a full 15-second clip. Here is the motion prompt. Ultra-smooth cinematic push-in camera movement, starting wide and slowly drifting forward. The male character holds a direct, unflinching gaze into the lens. Calm, calculated, completely in control. The female operative turns her head in a slow, deliberate arc, scanning the neon city grid below with sharp focus. Raindrops strike their jackets and the rooftop surface with physically accurate splash dynamics. Neon light flickers naturally across both faces as the rain intensifies. Ultra-fluid motion, hyper-realistic rain physics, zero warping, zero drift, zero deformation. Full 15-second duration. Film-grade cinematic output. Hit generate, and let Seedance 2.0 take it from here. Look at the rendering speed. That alone should tell you something about this platform's infrastructure. And there it is, 15 full seconds, flawless. The rain physics are behaving like real water. The face is holding completely stable throughout the entire clip. The motion of the camera is the kind of slow, deliberate push you see in studio productions that cost millions of dollars to make. There are zero AI artifacts, zero weird facial shifts, zero glitching. This looks like something that came out of a professional post-production house, and we made it in minutes on a budget that most creators would spend on a single lunch. Now here's what I need you to pay close attention to, because this is the part of the video that will genuinely change how you operate as a creator. And if 15 seconds isn't enough, Top View AI has a built-in multi-scene extension tool. You can seamlessly extend this exact clip by adding a new prompt, continuing the cinematic story without ever breaking character consistency. But to do this at scale, you need the right setup. When you navigate to Top View AI's pricing page, you'll see they just dropped their biggest deal yet. They're running a massive flash sale on their newly launched Ultra plan, giving you up to 67% off. That brings the cost down to just $50 a month. But this offer is strictly limited. Looking at the live timer on the dashboard, there are only about 9 days left to lock in this exact price. When you upgrade to Ultra before the timer runs out, you receive 365 days of completely unlimited generation, unlimited GPT Image 2.0, unlimited Seedance 2.0 for an entire calendar year. Let that land for a second. Because if you're building a content operation at any kind of scale, faceless YouTube channels, client-facing AI video services, social media automation, your effective cost per video on this plan rounds down to almost nothing. You're no longer paying per render. You're no longer watching your token balance like a hawk every time you hit generate. You're operating with the creative freedom that only a flat annual cost can give you. And if you need burst priority, faster queue processing when you're under deadline, they also offer a flexible credit mode at just 10 cents per second of generated video. That's one of the lowest per second rates anywhere on the market for a model of this caliber. This is not a compromise. This is a strategic upgrade. Stop letting overpriced platforms eat your margins. Stop letting token anxiety kill your creative output. The link to Top View AI is pinned at the very top of my description. Click it right now. Grab the Ultra plan and start producing unlimited cinematic content today. If this workflow just saved your wallet, hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it means everything to this channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive workflow, and I'll see you in the next one.